Oh my god, what are these? And the other one's at the bottom.
Beautiful. He's not going to catch them. Good morning. Today it's my privilege to do something that I've very rarely done in my several decades of handling, rescuing and managing snakes. I have here 28 babies that were born 2 days ago from a mother Gaboon Viper, and I'm about to release them. And there are a few things that are rewarding about what I do and what I do with the team that work with me. And that is being able to release snakes into the wild. The other thing that is even more rewarding is when babies hatch or are born and we are able to release them back into the wild. Now these ones, as you may know, Gaboon Vipers are one of the largest and heaviest adders in the world. They get massive long venom fangs as they grow older, and they can deliver a very, very nasty bite. But as venomous snakes go, they're very, very docile, and they don't necessarily attempt to bite very often. There are people that believe, oh, this is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world, which potentially it is, yes, but it's that snake which you've heard me talk about before, the laziest snake in the world. So I'm going to release these. Now, the sad thing about this, here's 28. Now the record for Gaboon Viper birth is much more than that, is well over 100. Now Gaboon Vipers and puff adders, unlike many other snakes which lay eggs, are known as ovoviviparous, which basically means that the eggs develop inside the female and they hatch inside the female, and then the appearance is that they give live birth just like humans. Now these little snakes here that you can see that average about 20 centimeters long, they are fully equipped. They have venom just like the adults. They have venom fangs just like the adults. The venom composition may or may not be slightly different. I've not been able to verify this, but because babies cannot necessarily eat the same as an adult venomous snake can eat, therefore their venom composition may be slightly different, because whatever they produce in terms of venom is created as an offset of part of their diet. And here you can see them, they seem quite calm. One of the saddest things about these babies though is that a very, very small percentage of them will actually get to be adult snakes. And you may know that the Gaboon Viper can get anywhere from 1.5 as much as 1.8 meters long. They're an ambush hunter, they're a nocturnal hunter, and they prefer warm-blooded prey. So these ones may eat all sorts of other things, just anything that moves, and they'll go about their business. These snakes are also small enough to get taken by predators. Predators like mongooses, honey, other types of predators, even other snakes, the cobras and things. But the greatest enemy of this particular snake is the human being. Now this may look like many snakes, but this is one of the very few areas in Africa where Gaboon Vipers are prevalent. So I'm privileged to work with many of them. And there is a lot of destruction of habitat going on. There's the local people which view them with a lot of superstition and even attach them to witchcraft. So they get killed for virtually no reason. As you can see, they are docile snakes, albeit potentially very dangerous. But it's really a wonderful privilege to be able to release these creatures back into the wild in the habitat that they enjoy. We're in a forest now, and this I'm going to walk away from this now, and you can watch for a few more seconds.